Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the support team for the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, you might be asked to proceed forward with the basic tutorial levels. After you complete these levels, you will gain access to the main menu, from which you can tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner to end up within the settings page. Now from this page, tap on help, and now you will see the email as well as the submit a ticket option. You can either use the submit a ticket menu, or you can directly tap on email and then choose a category for your concern. You will then be asked to choose your email application, from which the address will be automatically added. You will simply need to type in the subject of your query within the subject section, followed by your issue in details within the main body of your email. Finally, tap on the send button, and this will send your support email to the Lords mobile team right away. Once the team has received your email, you will be contacted within a few days with the response to your query. And there you have it. That is how you can contact and email the support team for Lords mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.